Hello everyone, it's Hanny with a quick tip. The other day I was painting or dyeing papers with lace and coffee this time. Well, and the weather is not so fine and I don't have an oven that's big enough, so it has to dry on air. But I was a bit impatient and, well, what everyone will have sometimes is the paper tears. It was wet, too wet, and it tears. So I have a lot of tear papers with tears in it like this. And oh, this is a little tear over here. And here's a little tear. But maybe I want to use them in a journal. So I want to repair the tears of those pages. I could use them as scraps, of course. But hey, I thought this was a paper with tears too. But I repaired them. And this one I repaired. I have to search for it. I think it was over here somewhere. And this was a big tear. I think, yes, over here. You can see it a bit. But hey, it's possible. So I thought, well, let's show you how I do that. And it's very simple. When you have a little tear like this or like this, and you want to use this page in a journal, in a signature, well, there is an easy way to repair it, and that is with the third layer of your napkin with tissue paper. Maybe you can do it with some other tissue paper, I don't know, but I use the third layer, mostly the napkins have 3 layers, and the top layer well, that's the image. I could show you, but I think you know already. I have to search for a napkin then. Oh, sorry. One moment. Oh yeah, well, I don't have a whole napkin here. Well, let's take this. Well, this was a napkin, and this was just one layer left. This was the other layer on here, and then you have a third layer on there. Just three layers, and when you separate them, well, I use the last layer, because the second layer sometimes you have, don't know if you can see it, well, not on this one. Well, there's a bit of image on it. You can see it if you, I don't know, yeah, some flowers on it. Well, you could use that, but I used the third layer. And I have some matte medium. You could use Mod Podge, I think, but I have matte medium from Amsterdam. The matte, the heavy one, but you could use another. And what I do is, well, I think you guess, just some matte medium on it, on one side. Then a piece of tissue with another layer of matte medium. And there is a tear here. And I do that at the other side too, so both sides. So I turn it around. And do this side too. Like so. And maybe a little piece over here. Then I will dry it. Just a bit careful, honey. It's glued on there. Should be a bit more careful. Maybe I should dry it first, but well, I did the other ones like this too. So I will dry it with my heat tool. Clean this first. So it's not quite dry yet, but when you think it's a bit too white, then I have my coffee spray. Just spray a bit coffee on it. Or you could do it with distress ink, I guess, and just dry it again. Well, it's dry now. And now I'm going to iron it. It's not quite hot yet, the iron. And I will use a piece of cotton to iron it, because the iron can stick to the matte medium. So I will do it like this, and the other side. Like so, and then I will cut. There are my scissors. Yoo-hoo, there they are. Just cut the excess off from the tissue that's left on the side. So, like this. Well, and it's repaired. I will do a few more. I take this one. Here is a tear, a little, no, this is not a tear, but this is a tear. So I will repair that the same way. But when you don't know it, well, the tear is gone. The paper is repaired or ment, how do we call it? That's it. Repaired. Well, that was a quick tip for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.